Quantum computing moves from research prototypes towards scalable systems. A new challenge is emerging: how to manufacture quantum chips with consistent, repeatable performance. Quantum chip yield includes manufacturing yield, ensuring critical structures are fabricated correctly; parametric yield, measuring whether key electrical characteristics meet specifications; functional yield, verifying devices can be initialized and operated; performance yield, evaluating metrics such as coherence time, fidelity, and error rates. In traditional semiconductor manufacturing, yield often measures the percentage of functional chips produced from a wafer. For quantum chips, yield is much more complex. A quantum processor must succeed across multiple dimensions, including fabrication quality, electrical performance, cryogenic operation, and quantum performance metrics. Small variations that may have limited impact in traditional semiconductor devices can significantly affect quantum performance. Material defects, qubit variability, frequency shifts, crosstalk, packaging challenges, and cryogenic testing all influence whether a quantum device performs as expected. But improving quantum chip yield is not only a testing challenge. The biggest challenge is connecting data across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Quantum manufacturers generate valuable data from fabrication, inspection, electrical testing, cryogenic characterization, and quantum performance validation. When this data remains disconnected, critical relationships between process variation and device performance can remain hidden. YieldWorks helps advanced semiconductor companies create a unified data foundation that connects manufacturing, test, and performance data into actionable yield insights. Our proven silicon photonics and advanced packaging analytics playbook helps companies identify process variation, silicon spin, trapped ion, superconducting qubit, improve traceability, accelerate root cause analysis, and build the foundation needed to scale emerging technologies. As quantum computing continues its journey from laboratory demonstrations toward commercial systems, manufacturing intelligence will be essential for building reliable and scalable quantum processors. Learn more about the manufacturing challenges behind quantum computing and how advanced yield analytics can accelerate the path forward at yieldworks.com.